Hi guys, welcome to Mishi Blue Tarot. This is Neelam. I am back for all of you with another reading. Just give me a minute. Okay, so today the question that I'm going to be doing is what are your person's current energies, their current thoughts and feelings for you? So this I do on a weekly basis. I think we're done with a week, so I guess I could do this once again. So this reading is for people, of course, not for singles. You have to have somebody in mind. Okay, even if you are single but you still like someone, you can still watch this reading. You will get a message here. Um, Alright, so as you can see, I've laid out 3 piles for you. Pile 1 is the Sunstone, the Sunstone Pyramid. Pile 2 is the Green Aventurine Pyramid. Pile 3 is the Lapi Lazuli Pyramid. Okay? Alright, so timestamps are there in the description box. So before choosing, I would want you to just think about your situation, meditate over it, and then go ahead and pick a pile that is attracting you the most. You can be pulled to more than one pile, so that's okay. I'll pause for 2 to 3 seconds. Alright, so I'll begin with the Sunstone Pyramid. Just give me a minute. Let me just put these aside. Okay. So here we are, pile 1, the Sunstone. Let's see. So I've picked up only one oracle card here to see the theme of the reading as to what exactly is happening and what are their major thoughts around this situation. And then I'll be looking at other tarot cards and oracle cards as well. Okay? So here's the Sunstone. Let's see. What are your person's current energies towards you? Wow. This is action. Okay? A definite rippling happening in this situation. The waves have formed basically. And how do waves form? You know, when there is a certain kind of a pressure that develops and finally the wave has to fall. So it is time for action. I see a sense of development in this connection. Something has grown, something has matured here. If your person wasn't taking any action, I see them taking action now. Okay? I am seeing that it's like an unstoppable thing. It's something that nobody can control. This will happen. They want to take action. Okay? That is the major theme that I'm seeing here. Now let's see what else are your person's current energies towards you. I'm using the Royal Dark Tarot. So we'll see what are their fears as well, what's happening here. What are your person's current energies towards you? I have the 10 of Swords, Knave of Pentacles, and Knave of Wands, which is the Page of Wands, and I have the Lovers at the bottom of the deck as well. Okay, so this person now cannot control himself or herself. Like right now, the situation has reached a point where the passion and the desire is really running high and it is stable. I can see that the weight and the fears have really taken a toll on this person, and they cannot hold on to these kind of emotions anymore. Okay, I see that this person is really triggered by you in a lot of ways. This person wants to come forward and be with you. Okay, a transformation is also what I'm seeing here in this person. This person really feels like a charm from within, like right from the core. Okay, so it feels very nice, as in like this person might not be able to resist this any longer if they were resisting. Okay, because I can see here with this Lovers card, it is too passionate, it is too desirable, it is something that this person would want in their life. Okay, no matter what, this person cannot really go away from you anymore because it's killing them from inside. Okay, that's what I see here. Let's see what else are your person's current thoughts and feelings for you. Your person's current thoughts and feelings for you. Fertility, discontent, and boredom stand your ground. Okay. So, if this person was in a connection with someone in the past, okay, over there it is over. Okay. Like you would know if this person was with someone or there was something going on between this person and somebody else. It's not working out for them any longer. Okay, this person wants to be with you. I can see that this person wants to take a stand in life. Guys, please ignore the sound in the background. There's some construction work going on here. So sorry. I can see that this person is looking for someone who is stable and who they can trust. They are looking for somebody like that. Okay, and it is a very concrete and a very stable decision in their mind. This person wants to be there. This person, in your terms, I would say that maybe the moment you came in, this other connection that they were in, it just felt very incomplete. It didn't feel as exciting as this could be. So that realization has come in this person. Okay? I see that this person wants to take action. They want to. Because here is action, here is stand your ground, Page of Wands, I have Page of Pentacles. So they want to start small, but they want to start. Like that energy is very overwhelming. They cannot control themselves anymore. So it has reached that point where this person has stopped and stopped a lot, but now it cannot be stopped any longer. It is not there anymore. Okay, this person really wants you around and this person wants to be with you. That energy is very, very overwhelming. As in one word for this is like if they were stopping themselves a lot, that energy doesn't prevail any longer. Okay, let's see what else do they want to say to you, or what are their current thoughts and feelings for you at this point. Your person's current thoughts and feelings. King of Stones. Nine of Arrows. Dedication. Eight of Stones. Skill. And King of Vessels. Okay. See, this person is very emotional about you right now. Okay, very, very emotional. The other cards are also confirming the same thing. This person wants to work on this connection, okay? They feel alone without you. This person feels really alone without you. This person has tried all possible ways. I think all the cards are repeating the same message to me. They've tried all possible ways to neglect this connection, but it cannot be neglected any further. It is not that easy, okay? This person is very emotional about you, very, very emotional. And this person could have a traditional mindset to their personality where, they like things in a very traditional way. Okay, this person wants to use, okay, this person can also be very skillful in their nature in general, maybe an owner of a business, or maybe doing something very out of the ordinary where they are actually, a lot of people are dependent on them. So this person's work nature also reflects in their personality overall. So even in in their romantic connections, this person might show up certain ways of their work life. It is linked somehow. Okay. I can also see that you might have gotten irritated and you might have stopped putting effort, but it's unbearable for you also. I can see that even you love this person a lot. Okay, so it's not like this person, it's a mutual relationship. And the point is, I think you gave up at some point, like maybe not feeling very good, but this person's emotions have just risen. They want to work on this connection. They want to make it happen. Okay, because this person feels that there is a chance here, a very strong chance here. Okay, to become better, to be a better version of who they are or what they are. Okay, emotions and stability both here. So this person wants to work on this connection very dedicatedly. All right. Now, let me see what is the advice for you here in this situation overall. Advice for you overall. Three of Pentacles. I have the Queen of Pentacles and I have the Five of Pentacles. Okay, I think you have trust issues. I think you feel that this person might just leave you out in the cold, but that's not what it is. It is your fear that makes you feel this way. Okay, it's not that this person is going to leave you midway, or this person doesn't have feelings for you, or this person doesn't have anything to give you. No, it's not like that. It'll gradually grow. This person also has a journey to like complete or to finish, however you want to put it. So it wouldn't happen if you don't allow it to happen. Do you get it? Like this person wants to take it forward. However, I see some trust issues. I'm not blaming you, but yeah, maybe the kind of pattern this person has, you might not be able to trust this person, but the advice is not to be in that energy. You should trust this. Okay, I'm seeing like there's something, some thoughts in your mind which keep bothering you. Maybe this person triggers your past or something, so you feel a little anxious. It is not that. You can trust this situation. Okay? Alright, so that's what I have for pile number one. I hope this reading resonated with you. Let me know in the comments. Also, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And if you are interested in crystals and crystal healing, I've started a page which will give you all the information about crystals and whatever you need to know. So if you find it interesting, you can check that out. The link is there in the description box below, so you can have a look at that as well. Alright, I shall see you soon again with more readings. Take care. Bye. Okay, pile number two. Whoever chose this green aventurine pyramid. So let's see, what are your person's current energies at this point? Their current thoughts and feelings for you. Let's see. Potential. So your person seems to be thinking about the future. They are thinking as to what can be done here and how does it look like going forward. It is a tough path. I see a mountain here. It is a tough path, but still this person seems to be determined. They're not giving up. This person is seeing the bright side of things at this point when it comes to the connection that they have with you. Um, this person could also be having a lot to talk, like in their mind, they want to say a lot of things, but they probably are not saying it right now, whatever the reasons might be. But yes, this person is not giving up on you. However, I see a tough situation between the two of you. It's not a very easy task, or it's not a very easy connection that I'm seeing here between the two of you. I feel it is a tough situation. Maybe you guys living together or being together is very tough, but still, this person doesn't seem to be in that energy of thinking that it is tough. They know it is tough, but they're not looking at it from that angle. Okay? Let's see what else. What are your person's current thoughts and feelings for you? Ten of Wands, Three of Wands, and the Hermit. I told you this person is hopeful about you and this connection. They haven't given up hope. I see that it is tough. This connection is very tough. It can cause bruises. It can be very taxing. But at the same time, I see that this person, I mean, what I told you right in the beginning, even if they know that this connection is very tough, they're not willing to give up on it. There is still a ray of hope. However, they might not be saying this to you. Okay, they might not be saying this to you because of whatever reasons. I see this person in a very strong self reflection or shadow work mode right now. Maybe because they're trying to understand themselves a little more. But I can see that this person has feelings for you. This person is really, you know, enamored, one, and second is motivated to keep this connection. They don't want to give up on this connection. That is the major theme of your pile. They don't want to give up on this connection. Even if, like, it's like if you can think of someone who's been beaten up left, right, and center and still trying to survive, it's that feeling. Now, it could be that this person has a lot of responsibilities already, but they still want to work on this connection. I'm seeing that energy here. This person doesn't want to give up. I don't see the energy of wanting to give up here. But they're keeping all these feelings as secret. The reasons could be whatever. I'm not getting into the reasons, but they want to keep it a secret probably. Let's see what else. What are this person's current thoughts and feelings for you? Pile 2. Spiritual union. Memories of love. Lot of emotions. And passion. There's a reason why they can't give up on this connection, because you both have a very strong spiritual bond of togetherness. Um, I see your presence igniting them and their presence igniting you. Okay, and you both could be very strongly connected to your memories. This could be a past life connection, okay, a very strong one, and that's the reason why you're not able to give up on each other even after knowing the repercussions of the situation. You can't, you just cannot give up on this connection because it is a very strong, beautiful bond of love. Okay. I see that this person really wants to, you know, take things forward with you in a lot of ways, okay? Be it emotions, be it love, in every possible way, this person wants to not give up on you, all right? This person might also be having a lot of desires whenever they think about you, and they want to control it somehow because it can, like, literally divert their mind fully, okay? It's tough for them to handle themselves once they get into that zone. This person has really deep feelings for you, and it is deep rooted in the soul. All right. The reason for this feeling is that because, as I said, that on the face of it right now, maybe, okay, your connection could be very difficult to happen. As in, there could be external obligations, there could be external factors, but still this person is not able to let go of you completely because of this whole pull, and that pull is from inside. That pull is from inside, and this person just cannot ignore the pull because it is very strong. Let's see, what else does this person have for you at this point? What are their current thoughts and feelings for you? What are this person's current thoughts and feelings for you? The Green Man, Emperor, dedication. Okay. Again, determination, but a lot of hard work. This person could be a little tired also right now because of their life in general, but you are that one thing that probably just brings about a lot of happiness and respite in their life, okay? This person is motivated, very, very much motivated. They don't need any kind of external motivation to be with you. This person really is enamored by whatever this connection is there between the two of you, because I told you that no matter whatever happens, I think you both just want each other, even if the circumstances are very difficult. Okay, I'm not getting into the labels. This person seems to be like connected from the soul with you. They feel that, and it is difficult to break that connection. I mean, it's not in your hands to break it. I also feel somewhere that they're not talking to you that much, because I have the Hermit and Four of Swords here as well. So maybe this person is not talking to you that much. Okay, they're not talking to you, they're not speaking to you. Maybe because all of these things are very difficult to explain, and they could be in this dilemma thinking that I am the one who's thinking this way, and maybe the other person is not thinking that way. So they're probably scared to even express that part of themselves. Okay. I can see that this person will not let you go. This person would want you around all the time. All right. So now let's see what is the advice for you here. Pile number 2. Advice for pile 2. 3 of Pentacles. Okay. Tower and 2 of Wands. For a lot of you, I think there is a third party involved here in this connection. Maybe there is someone else also in the picture. But doesn't matter. That's what I'm seeing. I mean, I don't know what right or wrong is in this point, but it doesn't matter because this person seems to be. Look at this. Look at the. Like, I mean, I don't know if you're able to see it. There is a huge similarity between these two piles. This person is motivated. They look out for you, okay? This person wants you to be around them, okay? Even if the circumstances don't allow things to happen or whatever it is. This person is looking forward to a message or a text or whatever, I don't know. The advice to you here is that give them some time. If they are not talking to you right now, give them some time, okay? Because I feel that this person will again circle back. Because there is a very strong connection here, okay? Something that is like not very easily explainable. So maybe everyone is not going to understand also what it is like to, you know, be in this connection. This person seems to be very, very motivated to be with you. So the advice to you here is don't blow things up just randomly all the time. If you're doing that, okay, allow it to happen slowly and give this person some time. That's what I'm seeing here for you. All right, pile number 2, that's what I have. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, if you're interested in crystal healing, I've started a page for information on crystals for Reiki healing and chakra alignment. That page is called MishiBlue_merchandise. The link is given below. So you can check that out if you want to. You can follow it. You will get all the info over there about crystal healing. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you soon again. Bye-bye. Alright. So, let's look at pile 3, the Lapi Lazuli crystal. Let us see what are your person's current energies towards you at this point. So, I have the card called Voyage. Tough journey. Awareness setting in your person about this journey. This person could be having some burdens also in their life, which could act as a problem here, but this person seems to be really, really motivated again. I think today all 3 piles of mine are a little linked with each other. This person wants to carry this forward. They know it is a journey of growth, okay? It will slowly develop. But I don't see this person giving up on you. This person wants to be with you. This person wants to grow with you. Right now, one of you could be a little unaware of what this is. This could be your person or this could be you. This person wants to, if you guys are away from each other, I see that this person would want to travel to meet you. At this point, that's what they're thinking, okay? And they're also thinking about how you guys have evolved together. The journey, basically. Since the time you guys have known each other till now, okay? The journey is what they could be thinking about right now. That's what I'm picking up. Let's see, what else are your person's current energies towards you? your person's current energies towards you. Three of Wands, Knave of Chalices, and the Judgment. This person will make a move towards you. Some sort of a move. Three of Wands is also again a travel card or somebody who would want to take a step forward towards you. I'm actually seeing that this person is either waiting for some kind of a sign from you and then they would take action, or I'm actually seeing that the universe is giving them downloads. Now, I don't know, you would know your situation better. If there is a chance that you will have to give them a slight sign that you are waiting for them, then yes, you should, because this person is waiting for that sign so that they can do something or they can make a move towards you. Okay? I'm seeing that this person is determined. One. Second, I'm seeing that this person is tired of waiting also to an extent. This person wants to take a step towards you, one step ahead, if you get what I'm saying. All right? And this person has gotten a bit awakened from before. Like now it's like a little different from before. This person feels a sense of connection a little deeper than what it was before. They're getting awakened to that feeling. Maybe they were not initially. Okay? Let's see. What else is your person currently thinking and feeling for you? Awareness. I told you. Spiritual awakening to the connection. Not even spiritual. I mean, if I talk about it in the 3D, this person's crown chakra is activated when it comes to thinking about you. There is a lot of spiritual downloads, as in understanding things in a more deeper way. Stand your ground and recognition and reward. This is again Three of Wands. So this person seems to be right now thinking about steps, planning action. What should be done here? How should things be planned here? Those steps have to be, I mean, those are the steps that this person is right now thinking about. Like how should they proceed, or what are the steps that they need to take so that they can make this thing happen. This person could also be hiding all of this, because maybe it's like I can see a person who knows things but doesn't choose to speak. That sort of an energy. It can be annoying sometimes, but yeah, that's what this person is at this point. Like they have a lot of knowing, but maybe they're not showing it to you. So yeah, if there is a sign that you need to give to this person so that they take action, then you should. Okay? But other than that, I also see this person kind of getting very much awakened to the connection, to feelings, to what this is about. Okay? Let's see, what else does this person want to say to you? Or what are their current thoughts and feelings for you? All three piles this card has come out. Today, I think my reading is somehow linked, or there's a theme to it. dedication, oh my god, look at this, journey, and I have voyage both. Transformation, a huge transformation. Queen of Vessels is Salmon. So yes, this person seems to be going through a huge change in their life. Like all of a sudden there's this upsurge of emotions in their mind, in their heart. It could be tough. It could be giving them nightmares because they are changing as a person. This person is transforming, and it's not a very easy journey, guys. Like the point is that one step at a time. Now they could be changing a bit, then again you guys will be together, and again there's something that will happen, again they will change. Now I know it is going to be tedious and taxing and also irritating, but that's how this connection is. Okay, they are looking forward to it. This person is looking forward to this connection because it motivates them, it makes them feel happy. Happiness is the key here. Okay, this person is becoming quite emotional about you. Quite emotional, I can see that. Okay, at this point. Now let's see what is the advice for you here, pile 3. This card has also come out in all 3 piles. I don't know what's happened today. 3 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and 8 of Cups. Try to connect with this person telepathically through meditations, because this person will listen. Somehow I'm picking that up. Okay, I see that it cannot be entirely their work. Even you will have to show them that you are willing to put in something, or you are also doing something. It just cannot be from their side. So that is the advice that I'm picking up here. I can see that this person is willing to go the distance provided you are with them, or provided they know that even you are willing to put in your effort over here. Okay, this person is waiting for some sort of a sign from you or something like that. If not that, I mean, you would know your situation better, then just try to connect with this person telepathically, because I'm just seeing that they really want to communicate with you, because there is so much that has happened that this person could be like a little overwhelmed also, but they still want to work on this connection. All right, give them a sign that even you are interested to work on it. Like if you've turned your back, then you have to probably show them a certain sign that you are still interested. Okay, all right, so that's what I have for you, pile number 3. I have started a page on Instagram for crystals, so if you guys are interested, please go and check that out. The link is there in the description. This page will have all the information about Reiki healing crystals and semi-precious stones if you're interested in it. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Let me know in the comments if this reading made sense, because it seemed to be like I'm talking to someone very specific. Let me know. Take care. I shall see you soon again. Bye.